Hello guys, I am Harun and it's your YouTube channel Harun Biozone. Today in this video I will discuss 45 very important MCQ questions from the chapter Structure Organization in Animals, class 11, chapter 7. These questions are fully explained here that will help you to face any problem about this chapter. So don't be late and start this video. The first question of this video is, in this stratified cuboidal epithelium, all the cellular layers are of cuboidal in nature. Lower cell layers are of any type, but topmost layer is of cuboidal in nature. Lower cells layer are of cuboidal nature and topmost layer of cells is of any type. None of these. तो इस क्वेश्चन में जो पूछा गया है that is जो stratified cuboidal epithelium होता है उसका नेचर क्या है, उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है. तो फर्स्ट you have to see the stratified means many layer of cell, many layer of cells. Okay, this is compound epithelium tissue. Okay, cuboidal is the cell that has four arms are equal in nature, that is called cuboidal. Epithelium means any tissue that cover any organs. Okay, so the right answer is lower cell layers are of any type. That means this is the basement membrane, and above the basement membrane their cells are present, and the lower layers are any type, maybe squamous, maybe columnar, maybe pseudostratified, but upper layer must be cuboidal. Upper layer must be cuboidal. So here the right option is 2, means B. B is the correct answer. The stratified cuboidal epithelium, where it is found in human body? Example, mammary gland, pancreatic duct, and salivary gland. These organs are made by stratified cuboidal epithelium. Next question, what will be happen if ligaments are torn? First, what is ligament? Ligament means this is a bone, and when the muscle, skeletal muscle attached to bone, this is skeletal muscle, this is bone, and this is called ligament. This joint is called ligament. Ligament means when two bones are joined each other by a muscle. Bone 1 and bone 2, and this is joined by ligament, and this is tendon. So this is tendon. This joint is called tendon, and this is called ligament. The question asks, if the ligament is torn, अगर ligament torn हो जाए तो क्या होगा? Bones will move freely at joint, and there will be no pain. अगर ये torn हो जाएगा, कट जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? पेन तो जरूर होगा. And bone will be less movable at joint and pain will be there. Bone will become unfixed because one ligament already present. The bone is not totally unfixed. Bone will become fixed. Not. This is wrong answer. So here the correct option is B. Bone will be movable and less movable at joint. This is called synovial joint. This is called synovial joint. Synovial fluid are present here. Synovial fluid are present here. The bone will be less movable at joint and pain will be there. And in this case, the movement is very painful and restricted. Next question, connective tissue. So what is connective tissue? Connective tissue means that the tissue that connect different organ or different part of the body. Connective tissue means tissue that connect or communicate different organ or part of the body The connective tissue is ectodermal in origin without intercellular space. Only in case of epithelial tissue, the intercellular space are not present. Mesodermal in origin without intercellular space, ectodermal origin without intercellular space. Here right answer is mesodermal in origin and intercellular space are present. Always remember, only in case of epithelial tissue there is no intercellular space or slightly intercellular space present, but other tissues in our body has intercellular space. So what is the function of connective tissue? The function of connective tissue are support, protect and gives structure. The support and structure by bone and cartilage, and protection occur by WBC, lymphocyte, also help in transport, that is by RBC. Clear? Next question, the difference between blood and lymph, both are connective tissue. The blood has RBC and WBC while lymph has no cells. So what is the function of lymph? Lymph function is protection and transport the intercellular fluid into the blood. So here blood has RBC and WBC while lymph has only WBC. B is the correct option because blood has both RBC, WBC and platelet. RBC, WBC and platelet. And lymph has WBC, lymphocyte antibody, etc. So lymph is white in color. Lymph is white in color. Lymph is white in color due to absence of RBC. lymph में RBC absent होता है, इसलिए that is colorless or white in color, and less number of protein are present. Proteins are present. But in case of blood, there is red in color due to presence of RBC, hemoglobin present, but here no hemoglobin are present. Hemoglobin. Okay, and blood it has different proteins like albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, etc. Next question. The most appropriate definition of neuroglial cells are that they are non-sensory and supporting cells. Secretory cells, sensory and supporting cells, non-sensory, supporting and secretory cell. So what is neuroglial cell? Neuroglial cell means there are different type of neuroglial cells are present. Number 1, astrocyte that regulate blood flow, homeostasis of extracellular fluid, and maintain homeostasis of extracellular fluid, ion transport and ion transmitter and regulate synapse function. So one type of cells is astrocyte cell. Neuroglial cells means one type of cell, astrocyte. Astrocyte regulate the blood flow, maintain homeostasis of extracellular fluid. But neuroglial, what is neuroglia? न्यूरॉन के आसपास में जो ग्लू लाइक और लिक्विड मटेरियल रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूरोग्लिया. Neuroglia, that means the around the neurons, the gel-like substance or liquid substance that present is called neuroglia. And neuroglia contain different type of cells. The one cell is astrocyte that regulate blood flow into the neuron, homeostasis, extracellular fluid, and ion transport, and regulate the synapse function. Number 2 is oligodendrocyte. Oligodendrocyte produce myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is made by sphingomyelin. It increase the speed of neural transmitter or neurotransmitter. Oligodendrocyte. Number 3 cell is microglia. This is a phagocytic cell that protect the neuron from microbial infection. Another cell is There are another cell is Schwann cell and fibrous connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue 4 and 5. So neuroglial cell, there are different type of cell and their function I also describe here. Astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, microglial cell is the main cell, and in case of peripheral nervous system, peripheral PNS, peripheral nervous system, the Schwann cell and fibrous connective tissue are present. So the neuroglial cell are non-sensory because sensory occur only by neuron, clear? And this is a supporting cell, right? This one also a supporting cell, non-sensory supporting cell, okay? So not secretory cell. So here the correct option is non-sensory and supporting cells. Next question is, which among the following is not characteristics of yellow fibers of connective tissue? Yellow fiber means elastin protein containing fiber. The contain elastin, this is right option. Fewer in number. There are fewer in number, right? Collagen fiber is most in number. Provide toughness and strength, not. This is by collagen fiber, not by elastin fiber, occur singly. So here the not correct option is the C. So yellow fiber is made by elastin protein, okay, and elastin protein is elastin, fewer in number and occur singly. It maintain the elasticity. Of an organ. Maintain elasticity of an organ. Next question. Match the tissue in column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option what is below. So here, what is neuron? The neuron initial granules present in neuron, that is protein granule that provide energy to neuron, present in cyton. Bone matrix is contain the osine protein. Bone matrix is made by osine protein. RBC of man is non-nucleated, but in case of frog, this is nucleated. Lymphocyte produce antibody. So the correct option is D. Next question. Match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. These WBC cells is differentiate on the basis of their number, lobe number. So here the correct option is C. Let me explain this question with proper diagram. Neutrophil. So here neutrophil is 2 to 7 lobed nucleus. 2 to 7 lobed. Here more than 2 lobed nucleus are present. This is called neutrophil. The neutrophil is 2 to 7 lobed nucleus. Eosinophil. Here you see eosinophil is 2 lobed. Only 2 lobed. Nucleus is 2 lobed. The eosinophil characteristic by bilobed nucleus. Here you can see the basophil. Basophil is 2 to 3 lobed. Basophil is 2 to 3 lobed. Here 2 to 3, more than 2 or no, not more than 3. Lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is kidney-like structure. Lymphocyte is single large nucleus. Lymphocyte is single large nucleus. And monocyte is kidney-shaped nucleus. I think you clearly understand on the basis of their nucleus structure, the WBC cells, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, lymphocyte are differentiated into 5 different categories. So neutrophil is 2 to 7 lobed, eosinophil is bilobed, basophil is 2 to 3 lobed nucleus, monocyte is kidney shaped nucleus, and lymphocyte is large single nucleus. So here the right option is C. Next question, match the following simple epithelial tissue in column 1 with their occurrence in column 2. तो here this question explain जो simple epithelial tissue होता है, that is single layered epithelial tissue, वो कहाँ पर मिलता है? That is squamous. Squamous means squama-like structure. This is found in alveoli. Alveoli कहाँ पर present होता है? Alveoli present in the lungs. This type of structure is alveoli, जहाँ पे gaseous exchange होता है. This like structure. Cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is present in ovary. Cuboidal. So squamous means squama-like structure. This is this type of structure. Cuboidal means जहाँ पे cube-like structure होता है, जहाँ 4 arms are equal in size. This is cuboidal. Columnar. Columnar means जहाँ पे cells are 2 arms are long and 2 arms are short and nucleus present at the base. Columnar epithelium is found in intestinal gland, जहाँ पे absorption होता है. That is columnar epithelium, जहाँ पे cilia रहते हैं, cilia. And ciliated epithelium definitely present in bronchiole, and pseudostratified epithelium present in trachea. So squamous epithelium, this type of epithelium is present in alveoli. Cuboidal epithelium is present in ovary wall, and columnar epithelium present in intestinal glands. Ciliated epithelium present in trachea, bronchioles, and pseudostratified epithelium found in trachea. The pseudostratified looks like the single layered epithelial tissue, but looks like double layered or many layered. This type of tissue present. This is pseudostratified. Ciliated means when the columnar epithelium tissue have this type structure present, finger-like projection. This is called ciliated epithelium. So right option is D. Next question, find out the wrongly matched pair. So squamous epithelium, any skin into a human being or other animal, the skin is squamous epithelial tissue, but that is stratified squamous epithelium tissue, a stratified keratinized. Okay, skin means stratified and also keratin protein made squamous epithelium tissue. Columnar epithelium, peritoneum of the body. Peritoneum of the body is made by simple squamous epithelium. Peritoneum is cavity of the body cavity. Peritoneum of the body. Peritoneum is cover of the body cavity or xylem. This is simple squamous epithelium, not columnar epithelium. Bronchial ciliary epithelium, right? And stratified cuboidal esophagus epithelium, also right. So here the wrong answer is B. Boxman canal connect Haversian canal with Haversian canal. Boxman canal connect Haversian canal with Haversian canal. This is the correct option. Let me explain this canal with proper diagram. Here this is the Boxman canal. This is the Haversian canal. Haversian canal. And this is the Boxman canal. Boxman canal. And this is the lacunae. Lacunae. What is lacunae? Lacunae is the small pore, small cavity in the lacunae is the small cavity. Okay, and Haversian canal is a vascular system of bone. So here the blood vessel or Boxman canal is the connector between the one Haversian canal to another Haversian canal to transport the blood and nutrition into the bone. Clear? Next question, which one of the following? Next question is which one of the following is true description about animal concert? The rat. In case of rat, left kidney is slightly lower in that position of right one. If you see, in case of rat, the left kidney is slightly lower than right kidney. Right kidney is slightly higher than left kidney. Cockroach, 10 pairs of spiracle, 2 pairs on thorax and 8 pairs in abdomen. Okay, spiracle means through which the gaseous exchange occur. Gaseous exchange occur. So here total 10 pair of spiracles present, of which 2 pairs in thorax region and 8 pairs in the abdomen region. Earthworm, the alimentary canal consists of sequence of pharynx. Alimentary canals start with mouth, then pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, then gizzard and the intestine. So first sequence is fourth buccal chamber. Here the sequence is first mouth, then buccal chamber, then pharynx, then esophagus, then gizzard, and then crop, then gizzard, then stomach, then intestine. So here the stomach and gizzard is the problem. First gizzard, gizzard is a chitinous teeth-like structure that churn the जो फूड पार्टिकल को ग्रिंडिंग करता है, जो छोटा छोटा टू पार्टिकल में भांग देता है. And frogs, body divisible into 3 regions, not In case of frog, only head and trunk is present, not neck. So this answer is not right, this is not right, and this is also not right. The correct answer is B. Cockroach, 10 pairs of spiracle, 2 pairs on thorax and 8 pairs on abdomen. 13 number question. Which one of the following is correct pairing of body part and kind of muscle tissue that moves it? The first, biceps and triceps. The biceps and triceps is the not smooth muscle. Biceps and triceps are skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. And abdominal wall. Abdominal wall also made by smooth muscle, that smooth muscle. This is right. Iris, involuntary smooth muscle. Iris also involuntary and smooth muscle. Heart wall. Heart wall is striated and involuntary, not unstriated. That is striation occur here. Striated and involuntary. Okay, heart wall. So this is wrong answer. So here two option is correct. Abdominal wall made by smooth muscle and iris is made by involuntary smooth muscle. Here both options are correct. Next question. Which one of the following pairs of structures is correctly matched with their description? Tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula are the long bone of lower leg. Long bone of lower leg. Both forms part of the knee joint, not long bone of lower leg. Cartilage and cornea, no blood supply but do require oxygen for respiratory need. Cornea is avascular, but in case of cartilage, vascular system only present up to the membrane chondrocyte, perichondrocyte. Perichondrium or perichondrium. Okay, not in the matrix, Shoulder joint and elbow joint. Shoulder joint is called ball and socket joint. Shoulder joint called ball socket joint, but elbow joint called hinge joint. Premolars and molars. The premolars are 2 in number in each segment. 2. So mouth has a 4. This is the upper gum and this is the lower gum. So in this section, the 4 portion is present. The 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2 into 4, 8 premolar, and 3, 4, 12 molars. So here premolar is single rooted, means premolar is single rooted teeth, but molar is 2 to 3 rooted, means two to three root. This is root. The premolar and molar 20 in all. This is right, and 3 rooted not. Only molar is 3 rooted and premolar is single root. Premolar is single root. So here the correct answer is B, cartilage and cornea. So ये बात याद रखना, the cornea is totally avascular but cartilage is avascular, इसलिए cornea का replace होता है, cornea का transfusion होता है, one body to another body transfer होता है, and Cartilage, in case of cartilage, this vascular present only the outer membrane of the cartilage. Okay, in the matrix region there is no vascular region, so this is the correct option, B. Next question, give below the diagrammatic sketch of certain type of connective tissue. Certain type of connective tissue. The first, this is macrophage. A number is macrophage. Macrophage. So what is a macrophage? Macrophage is a phagocytic cell. Phagocytic cell that protect the tissue from antimicrobial infection. B number is the fibroblast cell. Fibroblast cell. Fibroblast cell make fiber. Number C is the collagen fiber. Collagen fiber. Collagen fiber. Collagen fiber is the white fiber. Collagen fiber is white fiber. Provide strength and toughness to the tissue. And this is the called D called is the mast cell. D is the mast cell. Mast cell. So what is the function of mast cell? Mast cell secrete heparin and histamine. Histamine is responsible for allergic reaction. And heparin means prevent blood coagulation. Yeah, this is the A is the so right option is A. A is the macrophage, that is phagocytic cell that protect the tissue from bacterial or microbial and antimicrobial infection. Number 2, fibroblast. Fibroblast cell make fiber. Collagen fiber is a white fiber that provide strength and toughness to the tissue. And mast cell secrete heparin and histamine that histamine cause allergic reaction. If you buy any anti-allergic medicine from any shop, medical shop, you can see this is the antihistaminic drug. Anti-allergic drug means the drug that prevent the secretion of histamine from your body. So no allergic response are occur in your body. Next question. Choose the correctly matched pair. Tendon. Tendon is the correctly matched pair. The tendon is the especially dense fibrous connective tissue. Tendon is dense fibrous connective tissue. Tendon is bone to muscle connection. Fibrous means here collagen fiber is present. Collagen fiber present. Adipose tissue are loose connective tissue. Adipose tissue are loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Adipose tissue is a fat storing tissue. Areolar tissue is the most widely distributed loose connective tissue. This is also loose connective tissue and most widely distributed tissue. And cartilage also specialized connective tissue. Cartilage is specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue. So here the right answer is areolar tissue, that is loose connective tissue. Loose cartilage, loose connective tissue, not it is a specialized connective tissue, because cartilage made are of four types, that is hyaline cartilage, more matrix, less fiber, and white fibrous cartilage tissue, that more fiber, more collagen, less matrix. Elastic yellow fibrous yellow cartilage. Here elastin fiber and matrix are moderate, and calcified matrix more calcium. Clear? I think clear this question. Next question is, choose the correctly matched pair. Inner lining of salivary duct, ciliated, not salivary duct, not ciliated, simple squamous epithelium. Moist surface of buccal cavity, non-keratinized, stratified. This is called non-keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium, not glandular epithelium. Tubular part of nephrons. Tubular part of nephron is cuboidal epithelium. Okay, and this is ciliated cuboidal epithelium. Inner surface of bronchiole is squamous epithelium. Inner surface of bronchiole is ciliated columnar epithelium. Ciliated columnar epithelium. So here the correct option is C. So a inner lining of the salivary duct made होता है simple squamous epithelium से. Moist surface of buccal cavity is made by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Tubular part of nephron cuboidal epithelium. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, reabsorb होता है. ओके, जहाँ पे भी reabsorb और movement, जहाँ कहीं भी reabsorb और movement होगा वहाँ पे रहेगा ciliated cuboidal. क्लियर? चाहे वो इंटेस्टाइन हो, चाहे वो ब्रोंकियल हो, चाहे वो पीसीटी प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबुल और डिस्टल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूबुल होना क्यों? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which type of tissue correctly matches with its location? Tissue, transitional epithelium, tips of nose. No, tips of nose is made by elastic cartilage. Tips of nose is made by elastic cartilage, that made by elastin protein. Lining of stomach, simple squamous columnar. So simple columnar epithelium. लाइनिंग ऑफ स्टोमक, ओके। अगर इंटेस्टाइन आ गए तब होगा क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम। ऑल ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन स्मूथ मसल, नॉट all of intestine posterior part of the intestine has single unit of muscle that is called smooth muscle. This is right. And areolar tissue, tendon is a dense fibrous connective tissue. Tendon is dense fibrous connective tissue. Clear? Areolar tissue, this is tip of nose, elastin cartilage, elastin protein or yellow protein. Lining of stomach is simple squamous epithelium. All of intestine, smooth muscle and tendon, dense fibrous connective tissue. Areolar tissue कहाँ पे मिलता है? Areolar tissue मिलता है जहाँ पे below the epidermis. Blood vessel and all over the body. Next question. The type of epithelial cell which lines the inner surface of fallopian tube, bronchiole and small bronchi. In case of fallopian tube, transfer, egg, that's movement, help in movement. Bronchiole, help in movement of gases. So here the correct answer is ciliated epithelial tissue. And squamous epithelium tissue कहाँ पे squamous मिलता है? Squamous epithelium lungs, alveoli, pleura, Bowman capsule. कॉलमनर कहाँ पे मिलता है? स्टोमैक, इंटेस्टाइन। क्यूबॉइडल कहाँ पे मिलता है? पैनक्रियाज, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड, thyroid vesicle. I think all the doubt are clear here. मतलब कहाँ पे मिलता है? फेलोपियन ट्यूब, ब्रोंकियोल एवं स्मॉल ब्रोंका में मिलता है कौन सा टिश्यू? सीलिएटेड एपिथेलियम टिश्यू, बिकॉज सीलिया हेल्प इन मूवमेंट एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन, ओके। स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम मिलता है कहाँ पे है? लंग्स में, एल्वियोलाई में, प्लूरा में, बोमन कैप्सूल में। कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम मिलता है कहाँ पे है? स्टोमैक में है, इंटेस्टाइन में है। क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम पैनक्रियाज, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड एंड थायराइड वेसिकल में मिलता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी अमंग द फॉलोइंग्स आर secretion of exocrine? The exocrine is a ducted gland, and endocrine is a ductless gland. Endocrine gland secrete hormone. Okay, so you can see here hormone is thyroxine, hormone is oxytocin, hormone is insulin. So insulin, thyroxine and oxytocin, three are hormone that secreted from endocrine gland, and remaining the sevens, that is saliva, bile, earwax, mucus, pancreatic juice, digestive enzymes, milk well, etc. are belongs to exocrine gland. 7 is the correct option. So what is the endocrine? Suppose this is blood vessel. and here some glands are directly contact with blood. Here some gland directly contact with blood, that is duct are absent. Ductless gland is called endocrine. But in case of exocrine gland, suppose this is the tube-like structure and this is the gland. So first this are the gland secretion transfer into the tube, then mixed with blood. Okay, or come outside of the body, sweat gland. 21 number question. Which of the following is correct for type of muscle present in the all of internal organs like blood vessel, stomach and intestine? In case of any internal organs, blood vessel, liver, stomach, intestine, only smooth muscle are present. Smooth muscles are present. Smooth muscles are tapering, both sides are tapering, and no striation occur, and only one nucleus is present. So this is involuntary. That means do not regulate by own. This is the regulated by pons and medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Fusiform means two ends are tapering and non-striated. There is no striation, like this type of structure are absent in case of clear. So here involuntary, fusiform and non-striated is the correct option. Also uninucleate, this is correct option. And spindle shaped, this is correct option. So here the character is involuntary. The answer is A. Involuntary, fusiform, non-striated, spindle shaped, and uninucleated. This is the characteristic features of smooth muscle: involuntary, fusiform, non-striated, spindle shaped and uninucleated. Next question. Which among the following difference is incorrect between bone and cartilage? Pliable means soft. Or flexible. The bone is pliable, not bone never pliable. Bone is hard and strong. Cartilage solid and pliable. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Composed of osteocyte. Yes, osteocyte is bone making cell by deposition of calcium ion into the bone. Composed of chondrocyte. Cartilage cell is called chondrocyte. Present in spaces called as lacunae. Yes, present in Habersen canal. Enclosed in small cavities with matrix secreted by them. Right. B right and C right. In the adult, bone is more than cartilage, but in vertebral embryo, in case of embryo condition, the bone are absent. Later bone are developed, but in primary steps of embryo development, only cartilage are present. So in case of embryo, cartilage is more than bone, or in case of adult, bone is more than cartilage. So here the wrong answer is A. Wrong answer is A. Next question. Match list with one with List 2, list 1 or list 2. Cuboidal epithelium tissue. Cuboidal epithelium tissue means inner surface of gallbladder. Cuboidal inner surface of gallbladder. Ciliated epithelium tissue. Ciliated epithelium is a lining of pancreatic duct. Ciliated epithelium lining of sorry. There's some mistakes that occur. Let me explain it from start. Cuboidal epithelium. The cuboid, in case of cuboidal epithelium, cuboidal means 4 arms are equal in size. The cuboidal epithelium present in lining of pancreatic duct, and ciliated epithelium is present in a lining of fallopian tube, because in case of a fallopian tube, sperm and egg are moved, so in case of movement or absorption, ciliated epithelium present are needed. In case of columnar epithelium, columnar inner surface of gallbladder, and squamous epithelium is the inner lining of blood vessel. Squamous epithelium, inner lining of blood vessel, or keratinized squamous epithelium. Keratin means skin. Keratinized squamous stratified epithelium. So, cuboidal epithelium present in the lining of pancreatic duct, ciliated present in lining of fallopian tube, columnar present in the surface of gallbladder, squamous present in inner lining of blood vessel, and keratinized stratified epithelium is present in epidermis of skin. So, correct option is C. Next question, match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage, elastic cartilage, calcified. The hyaline means more matrix, fibrous more collagen fiber, elastic more elastin protein, and calcified means more calcium in the matrix. Here hyaline cartilage, long bones, sternum and ribs. 2. Hyaline cartilage present in long bone, sternum and ribs. Fibrous cartilage where support are needed, provide strength, that is pubic symphysis. In pelvic girdle, pubic symphysis is present. Elastic cartilage present in pectoral girdle, elastic cartilage present in eustachian tube and epiglottis, and calcified cartilage is present in pectoral girdle. Okay. The hyaline cartilage is present in long bones, sternum and ribs. Fibrous cartilage present in pubic symphysis. Calcified cartilage is present in pectoral girdle of frogs, and elastic cartilage in eustachian tube and epiglottis. So correct answer is B. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the glands? Goblet cell secrete mucus, right? Goblet is a single columnar epithelial cell that secrete mucus. Exocrine glands is right. Exocrine gland possesses duct for secretion of mucus, milk, saliva, earwax, digestive enzyme, well and other cell product. This is also right answer. Glandular epithelium consists of specialized columnar cuboidal cell. This is also right answer. Endocrine glands secretes variety of enzymes, not hormones. Only this is the wrong answer. So here D is the incorrect option. Next question, which one of the following statement is incorrect about connective tissue? So connective tissue are most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animal, right? And connective tissue are most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animal. They link and support other tissues. Connective tissue means link and support other tissues also. This is right. This is also right answer. They include such diverse tissue of bone, cartilage, adipose and blood. Adipose tissue also one type of connective tissue that spread throughout the body. They form the internal and external lining of many organs. Not connective tissue is a not external internal lining. This is done by epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. In all connective tissues except blood, the cells secrete fiber of a structural protein called collagen and elastin. Yes, in case of bone, there is collagen fiber present. In case of cartilage, there is collagen fiber present. In case of blood, there is no collagen fiber is present. Only a only D are the incorrect option. So here D incorrect, but all are correct option. Next question, choose an incorrect statement among the followings. Simple epithelium cover the dry surface of the skin. Dry surface means skin. It is not simple epithelium. This is keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. And in case of buccal cavity, pharynx, and inner lining ducts of salivary glands of pancreas, inner lining of salivary gland of pancreas, these are non-keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. Clear? Tight junction performs cementing to keep the neighboring cells together. Tight junction means, suppose this is the membrane of one cell and this is the membrane of another cell. So this is called tight junction. So what is the function of tight junction? In case of tight junction act like fence. Tight junction act like fence. Okay, fence like activity दिखाते हैं, and that prevent the mixing of membrane protein okay, and gap junction communicate the cell the adjoining cell cytoplasm. And transport and help in so here this is right answer, and both B and C are the incorrect option. Tight junction not cementing, this act like fence. Okay, so it prevent the dissolve or mixing of two membranes protein. and also prevent from mineral leakage of cell. Next question, nervous tissue is made up of neurons and neuroglia. 20% neuron and 80% neuroglia. Points out which of the following statement is the incorrect statement. Neuroglia make up more than one half the volume of neural tissues in our body. Neuroglia make up neural tissues. Yes, right. We have astrocyte, oligodendrocyte, and microglia. Neuroglia protect and support neurons, right? The microglia protect and support neurons. When a neuron is suitably stimulated, an electrical disturbance is generated. When neuron is suitably stimulated, no disturbance is generated. Smooth nerve impulse are transferred. So C is the wrong answer. And the disturbance at the neuron ending trigger the stimulation or inhibition of adjacent neuron or other cells, right? So here when the nerve impulse start suitably, there is no disturbance occur in between. So on C is the incorrect option. Next question, cuboidal epithelium with ब्रास बॉर्डर माइक्रोव्री. ब्रास बॉर्डर माइक्रोव्री कहाँ पर रहता है? जहाँ पे रीअब्जॉर्प्शन होता है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, in case of intestine, small intestine, their food absorbed into the blood. Okay. In case of PCT and DCT of nephron, their minerals are reabsorbed into the body. So it is present in duct of salivary glands, not proximal convoluted tubule of nephron, and also small intestine. Next question, the lining of intestine is made by columnar epithelium, and salivary gland is made by simple cuboidal epithelium, and eustachian tube is ciliated columnar pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Select the correct sequence of organ in the alimentary canal of cockroach starting from mouth. Starting from mouth, after mouth, the pharynx is present. In the pharynx, the esophagus present, crop present, gizzard present. Gizzard, pharynx, esophagus, first crop, then gizzard, crop, then gizzard. The A is the correct option. First pharynx, then esophagus, then crop, gizzard, ileum, connectum. Let me explain this question for diagram. Here, this is the mouth, then pharynx, then esophagus, then crop, gizzard, hepatic ceca, midgut, malpighian tubules, ileum, colon, and rectum. So A is the correct option. Next question, if the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the brain is not well developed. Some nerves are present in joint with antenna and compound eye, but not properly to the brain. So if brain is removed, the cockroach is remain live. The head holds a small portion of nervous system, while the rest is situated along the ventral part of the body. This is the correct option. Nervous tissue system of cockroach consists series of fused, segmented arranged ganglia seen by paired longitudinal. So let me explain with proper diagram. Here the nervous system of the each fragment has nerve ganglion. Okay, ganglion means when the cyton of the neuron, many cyton of the neuron are accumulate or aggregate to form nerve ganglia. From nerve ganglia, the neuron are produced. Okay, when many cyton accumulate to produce ganglion. Okay, ganglion is a source of neuron. So in case of here, this is the brain. So here no more neurons are present. There are some neurons that attach to antenna, and this attached to compound eye. Next question. Choose the correct statement among the following. Excretion in earthworm is performed by malpighian tubules, not malpighian tubules, by cockroach. And in case of earthworm, that is nephridia. The hind wings of cockroach are transparent, membranous, and are used in flight. This is right. In cockroach, the abdomen in both males and females consists not 10 segment. In cockroach, tegmina are opaque, dark, leathery, and cover the forewing when at rest. In cockroach, tegmina. Mr. Kah are leathery, Dr. Leather, dark, leathery, and covering the hind wing. Okay, hind wing produced from metathorax, and tegmina developed from mesothorax. Clear? Next question. Match the following with reference to cockroach. Phylomere. 33. Phylomere is the opening of ejaculatory duct. Phylomere is the external genital pore. 3 pair. 3 in number. Male cockroach has 3 phelomeres, the external genitalia. Gonopore is opening of ejaculatory duct. Spermatophore is the bundle of sperm where sperm are stored. When the copulation occurs between two cockroach, spermatheca in female body that store the sperms. Ovariole, chain of developing. B is the correct option. Let me explain proper diagram. Here you can see the phylomere. This is the phylomere. This is this gray portion. Left phylomere, right phylomere. The phylomere is the external genitalia, जहाँ से genetics part open होता है. Gonopore is the opening of the ejaculatory duct. This is the ejaculatory duct, and this is the opening. This is the opening of ejaculatory duct. Okay. That was spermatophore. Spermatophore present in female where spermatophore present bundle of sperm. Spermatophore means bundle of sperm. This sperm joined in or deposited in spermatheca. This is spermatheca. Temperature. And ovariole. Ovariole is chain of ovary. Here ovary is branched into say 8 ovariole. 8 in number. 8 ovariole. Clear? The B is the correct option. 34. Select the correct route for the passage of sperms in male frogs. The male frog, in case of male frog, the testis, vasa efferentia, kidney, seminal vesicle, urogenital duct, cloaca. So here, testis, in case of male frog, the passage of kidney, passage of some sperm and urine are common, that is ureter. But in case of female frog, there is separate transporter, that is oviduct present. So here testis, then vasa efferentia, vasa to kidney, from kidney to bladder canals to urogenital duct, or it is called ureter. The ureter carry both genital part and also urine, so called urogenital duct, and then cloaca. Cloaca is the common part where the sperm, urine and feces all are come outside, that is called cloaca. 35. Frog's heart when taken out. Frog's heart when taken out the body continues to beat for some times. Why? Frogs are poikilothermal. Poikilothermal means cold blooded. Cold blooded animal. Select the best option from the following. Frog does not have any coronary circulation. Heart is myogenic in nature. Heart is excitable. So when the heart is removed from the body, heart remain alive for some times. Why? Because the muscle of heart or cardiac muscle is myogenic in nature. That is, the nerve impulse starts from sinus SA node to AV node by muscle. So it's called myogenic heart, right? Heart is auto-excitable. Heart also auto-excitable. So 3 and 4 is the correct option. The diagram represents the reproductive organ of male cockroach. Diagram represents also. So A is the sternum. A is the sternum. B is the anal cerci. B is the anal cerci. And C is the 10th targum. It was sternum and targum. Each segment is called targum or sclerite. Targum. And D is the anal style. Style. Only in male. In male. Help in copulation. So here the A is the correct option. Next question, phaeosomes in earthworm. Phaeosomes is a photoreceptor cell. Photoreceptor cells that contain lens. So here lens is answer. Nephridium is the excretory part of earthworm. Next question, Which of the following cells is perithema is analogous to liver? Chlorogogen cell. Chlorogogen cell is analogous to liver. It is yellow skin color, and chlorogogen cells or Y cells. It is called Y cells, also called Y cell, because present in yellow pigment, involved with energy function, excretory function, and intermediary metabolism. It is similar like liver in vertebrate. Okay. Then intestinal cell. There are three types of intestinal cell is present. Number one, Paneth cell. Paneth cell. It has antimicrobial activity. Antimicrobial activity. You know, goblet cell. Goblet cell, secret mucus, and 3 number is absorptive epithelial cell. Absorptive epithelial cell. Basal cell. Basal cell is the small round cell found in the lower part of the epidermis. Small round cell found in the lower epidermis. Okay. Produce new skin cell. Flame cell. Flame cell is the excretory cells of earthworm or flatworm. Or platyhelminths. So, in case of Perithema posthuma or in earthworm, the liver-like cell is chlorogogen cell, Y cells. Intestinal cell, 3 types. It is Paneth cell, it is goblet cell, it is epithelial absorptive tissue. Epithelial absorptive tissue that absorb the food and nutrition into the blood. Goblet cell secrete mucus. Paneth cell, it is antimicrobial activity. It has basal cell, a small round cell found in the lower epidermis, produce new skin cells. Excretory cells of flatworm, that is platyhelminths. Next question. Nephrostome occur in earthworm. Nephrostome occur in septal nephridia. Let me explain with diagram. This is the septal nephridia. 39. This is 3 different type of nephridia are present. Pharyngeal nephridia, micronephridia. This is septal nephridia. Okay, septal nephridia. In case of septal nephridia, this is nephrostome. This is a tube-like structure, tubule system. Nephrostome is a tubule system that connect into the coelom. Its funnel-like compound of metanephridium. Funnel-like compound. So, nephrostome is a funnel-like component and orient towards coelom. Clear? Orient towards coelom. This is the coelom में अरेंज रहता है septal nephridia. Next question. Earthworm is kept in 14% KOH alkaline solution. The structure left intact. If the earthworm is dissolve, if the earthworm is dissolved in 40% KOH or alkaline solution, what happens? The spermatheca, circular muscle, longitudinal muscle, or another part of the earthworm is dissolved, disappear. But in case of CT, this is chitin protein, so do not dissolve. So CT are separate from other part of the body. In earthworms, CT are absent in clitellum, first and last segment. 42. 3-chambered heart for frog is not efficient as 4-chambered human heart, because if this is 3-chambered heart, then here oxygen and carbon dioxide blood are mixing up here. Oxygen dioxide blood mix up, so it is a lot less efficient than 4-chambered heart like human being. In a frog, if a hole is punched in the floor of its buccal cavity, then frog will not die, because respiration in frog are 3 types. Subcutaneous means the respiration occur through skin. Cutaneous means through skin. Number 2, pulmonary, that is through lungs. Okay, and respiration occur through buccopharyngeal, respiration occur through buccal cavity. If buccal cavity is off, if buccal cavity is punched, okay, then respiration occur through pulmonary, respiration through lungs occur, so the frog do not die. Respiration, buccal respiration doesn't stop, pulmonary respiration occur. When the mouth respiration is off, then this is lungs respiration, pulmonary respiration occur, so frog do not die. Buccopharyngeal respiration means respiration occur through buccal cavity. In frog, it is increased when nostrils are closed. It stops when there is pulmonary respiration. It is increased when it is catching fly. Not. It stops when there is pulmonary. Means at the same time there is no buccopharyngeal respiration and pulmonary respiration occur simultaneously. When buccopharyngeal respiration occur, the pulmonary respiration stops, and when pulmonary respiration occur, buccopharyngeal respiration stops. Only one type of respiration occur at a time, because the entry path of gases are same. And this is nostril. Clear? This is nostril, and this is lining of mouth. This is lungs. If the gases enter through nostril and mouth simultaneously, then it transfers through same path. So when the mouth is off, nostril is open. When nostril is off, mouth is open. Okay. So stops when there is pulmonary respiration occur. Next question. The blood of cockroach contains no respiratory pigment. It means respiration is anaerobic, not false. No respiratory pigment means no RBC. Rest oxygen goes directly into by diffusion. Cockroach does not respire. Oxygen goes in tissue by intracellular capillary system. Not in case of cockroach, open vascular system. Vascular system means there is no blood vessels are present. Heart to directly tissue or heart no blood vessel. In case of open circulatory system, the blood directly enter into the tissue from heart, okay, or coelom. So oxygen gets directly into by diffusion. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel. If any doubt about any questions or questions answer, please comment me on comment box. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.